Hello, everybody. Sorry for the sound issue. Hello, welcome. Good morning or good evening. What is happening? Welcome. The weekend is over. I hope everybody recharged. Sorry about the sound issue there. Forgot to turn down the music. Good morning, everybody. Good to be back. How was the Asia session? Anybody was trading the Asia session so far? Anyway, what is happening? Hold on, let me see. I have to log into the chat real quick. I do see some names. Good morning. Hold on. Let me log into the chat. Almost forgot to start everything here this morning. All right. Nickname, last name. Good morning. Funded Sopham. Hello, MSUFO in the house with El Barrito. Good morning. Everything is great. Good morning, good evening to everybody. 44th X Punisher. Hello there. Good morning. No luck, pure skill. Welcome. Hello. Content Hunter is here. Welcome. What's up, Burrito? Jerome, hello. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. That's our job. Sleepy Mocha, hello. You got run over shorting. Oh, yeah, seems like we went higher a little bit here. We're going to dive into the chart real quick. Marco, ZFG, hello there. It was great. All right. Morning is going great. I just passed the 100K top step test. Let's go. Congratulations, Content Hunter. Amazing. Frequency, hello. Good morning. Weekend was great. Recharged. So, Jose Might, hello. Good morning. Daryl, good morning. Rohan Trades, 135 points. Wow. That is amazing, man. Congrats. Weekend was great. Thank you. Good day, Jose Mike. What's up? You know, I was meeting with family, and I had such a great we had a lunch yesterday on Sunday, and it was such a great time. Second time of this year, I let myself loose a little bit, and I ate some chocolate yesterday. I mean, dessert, actually, not chocolate. I ate some dessert. Oh my gosh, it was great. Anyway, it's not gonna derail me from my weight losing process, but yeah, it was great. Some good family time. Looks like we're going up there to that 5-minute gap. All right, we're gonna check for some levels here. Going into 5 and a 15-minute. Yeah, there's a fair value gap here. I think it might want to take this candle here, not this one, at 10:50 a.m. Eastern Standard on Friday. This actually poked into the fair value gap a little bit, but nevertheless, it still got practically unrepriced. Tried shorting flip-flop. Oh, well... yeah, actually, to be honest, after we sweep that 5-minute gap, maybe I would be watching or waiting for possible shorts as well, but we're going to go over some levels real quick. Chocolate Rain. How are the kids? Everybody's great. Just like that. Blue 2 more 35. Oh, Sleepy Mocha. Don't ever say never, okay? Never say never, first of all, Sleepy Mocha. And I know it must have been poor risk management. That's always the issue, right? It's always about risk management. I mean, we got to do something about that, right? It's so hard to accept the losses, right? It's hard to accept the losses. Oh my gosh, the microphone is extremely loud. The microphone is extremely loud, guys. Let me do something. The microphone is extremely loud. I don't know if this does anything with it. Okay. Yeah, the microphone is extremely... I'm going to turn down the microphone a little bit. All right. How about now? It should be a little bit... Okay, should be a little bit better. The microphone was extremely loud and sensitive. I didn't see that on the mixer. All right, now it should be a little bit better, just a little bit better. All right. NQ is overbought in the short term. Yeah, it might seem like it. It might seem like it. So let's go over some levels here real quick. So the 5 minute, as always, I'm looking for supply and demand zones, right? So usually that's what I want to see, supply and demand zones. The only thing that I found is a 5 minute zone here. Actually, let me show you. A 5 minute zone here. And there's also a 4 minute zone here. So we have 2 zones in this area. I checked everything. There's nothing to the left. And there's nothing here on these levels, okay? But let's just go down to the 3 minute chart. Nothing on the 3 minute, all right? And by the way, speaking of NQ, just a second here, you guys do know that the September contract, sorry, not the June contract is about to shift the volume. I mean, the market is about to shift the volume to the June contract. So there's a website here. You can also check it out for yourself. I suggest you can save it somewhere so you can see how the volume is actually shifting every single day. Now, so far, the majority of the volume, according to the Friday report, is still on the old contract, but we are slowly shifting to the new contract. So today, I'm still going to be with the old contract, just saying, all right? So let's see. Oh, and by the way, I have a bit of a bad news. I don't know for what reason, but Take Profit Trader disabled my coupon code, unfortunately. So unfortunately, I wrote them an email, so hopefully something will happen. But currently, at this moment, my coupon code at Take Profit Trader is not active. They disabled my affiliate account. Anyway, I mean, I know they wiped out a lot of affiliates, but we were not so bad in numbers. And anyway, I wrote them an email. I don't know if I'm going to get it back. Unfortunate, because I love Take Profit Trader, but it is what it is. We'll see how it goes. So I checked for levels here. Nothing on the 2 minute. And I didn't do anything on the 1 minute so far. Okay, there is actually a 1 minute zone here, though. Yeah, no luck, pure skill. They wiped out a lot of affiliates, by the way. Goran, hello. They wiped out a lot of affiliates. And I'm just surprised because obviously I've just checked a few affiliate codes. I know some traders who are having, like, quote unquote, a smaller following or really small streamers or traders, and their coupon code is still active. But for some reason, my code is not active. So they kicked me out from the program. I will try to talk with them and get it back. I don't know. So there's a 1 minute order block at 495. That's the closest level. I mean, it's not clean. But if you look at that, Curry Fishbowl, hello, the faceless man. What's up? Welcome, welcome. Oh my gosh, yeah, I have to change it back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, make sure to hit the like button, please. Let us notify YouTube that we're here. So I'm kind of zooming in on the 1 minute here. All right, let's just try to, justify this level somehow. Good morning, No Trade Stocks. Hello. So there was a fair value gap here, so it picked up liquidity from that area. And what else do we have? We shifted structure here. It's only just with one tick. All right. It's only one tick, but there's a market structure shift there. And there's another market structure shift there. It's not super perfect. All right. I know that. It's just a very, very small market structure shift, but it still counts as a zone because actually this pullback here started the whole move. Actually, it didn't start it, but like the move, this one here started from this area. So what does that mean? That means that the closest zone that we have is down there at 495. Now let me extend that level just a little bit here to extend it right there. And that's going to be a 1 minute demand zone right there. So these are the levels that we have. There's the 4 and a 5 minute demand zone lower. And that is all we have. That is all. Nothing else. Was kind of looking for something on other time frames as well, but there's really nothing else that we can look for. So the distance, if we want to short, is like 60 something points, which is good, in a London session. That is actually not that bad. Good morning, loving nature guy. Hello. So what I'm looking to do here is maybe, just maybe, should I take a sell on this? The problem is we're super close. Why is it always stuck on this? I took a small sell, a very small sell, just to see what's going on, right? And maybe I will add to the trade later. But I want to see this go down to, let's just say 500-ish area. If not, then we should be going up there to that 5 minute gap. I'm going to be putting a buy limit down there. Let's put a buy stop at 596. All right, I like this. So let's see if we can get down there. Just a very, very small trade. All right, very small trade just to see if the market really wants to go that direction. It can obviously shift because it can sweep the lows here at 539 and then go higher. So you got to be careful with that. Okay. I actually thought that I can get one more micro in there, but seems like it's not happening now. When London Open? Yeah, the London Open is going to be at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard, Ahmed, because until November 29, November, come on, man, March 29. I don't know why I said November. Until March 29, the daylight saving time is not gonna, I mean, the shift is not going to happen in Europe. US already switched, I think, on the 8th or 9th of March, and Europe is going to shift on the 29th. So right now, the London session and the pre-market open is at the same time at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard. So, you know. Randall, hello. Which is why we are getting really retrace. Ah. You had the levels too? Nice. Well, I don't know if it's going to reverse or not. Let me just check something here real quick. Yeah, nothing there. Good morning, Dominic. Hello. Good to see you back. Let's see. Same TP, literally the same. Let's go, Rohan. Let's go. Yeah, I just want to get out before we hit 500, because who knows, we might see a bounce or whatever. So, you know, we'll see. We shall see. But I do like it as well. The problem is for some reason I totally forgot to put in one more micro. So I will be looking to add one more micro. If it goes back, there's a 1 minute gap here. And so maybe I'm going to add one more micro. If it goes back right there, I don't know, to 553 maybe. Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna put a sell order there for one more micro, you know, because why not? I can handle it. I'm okay with it. Short with one Eval. That's awesome. Great. We could trade the weave. Oh yeah, where's the weave up? I forgot to put it there. Oh, it's down there. Okay, it's way down there. I thought it's not on the chart. Yeah, the weave up is down at 470-ish area right now. And look at that, my order did not get triggered. My order is left in the dust. Well, I tried. You know, I tried. Maybe it will go back up there. Niket, hello. Because I think you're on the new contract. So for those of you, I mean, some platforms already switched to the June contract. Okay, so the June contract is already in effect. This is the Friday report from the CME website. It seems like, according to Friday, that the majority of the volume was still on the old contract. Now, again, this is a Friday report. I'm assuming that lots of more volume is already trading on the June contract, but I think that today the more volume is still on the old contract. We're going to check on this number tomorrow. As you can see, it's already shifting to the new one. So we'll check it tomorrow and we're going to switch in time. But yeah. That's why you guys have a different price maybe. I'm still on the old contract. You are welcome. And by the way, if some of you guys would like to have this website just to check the volume, here's the link. And you guys can always check every day there's an update. You can check how the volume is shifting if there's a new contract. There's a volume and switches with CME. Oh, really? There's a tab. There's a volume tab on TradingView. I mean, I know there's a volume indicator, but is that helping us to see the shift? Oh, really? Okay. Good evening, son of Wall Street. Hello. Welcome. Huh. Oh, yeah, there's the volume tab. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. All right. Hold on. So you guys don't see it, but there's a volume tab. Oh my God. I didn't have that. How stupid I am. All right. Futures. And let's add this. Yes, currently 222K on the old contract, 125K on the new contract. Okay. Thank you, Dominic. That was actually helpful. That is actually very helpful. Thank you. All right. Okay, better. So my order still not getting tagged. I think it will. Oh, that's for Friday's close. Check the codes tab. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's Friday. Okay, yeah, this is Friday close, and that's why I checked it. Michal Alomai, hey, what's good? Welcome. Thank you, Ashokumar. Yeah, I just checked it. It's I don't know, I haven't really checked it so far until this time. But anyway, kind of hoping that will go lower. Should be having some extra volume real soon. Which program is that for Rhythmic account? Direct Rhythmic. Which program is that for? I don't understand. Which program for your Rhythmic account? Direct Rhythmic. I mean, which? Oh, this is Ninja. This is Ninja Trader, and the account right now is on a TRADEDAY account. This is a TRADEDAY account, but it's on TradeAwait. Oh, you use ETS. Okay. Yeah. And this is a 15-second chart here, by the way, on the small screen. And the big screen has the 1 minute. Let's all smash the likes. Let's see how we're doing. We have 43 likes. That's amazing. Can we get it to above 100? Can we get to above 100? We are at 43. Let's go, everybody. Let's smash it. Let's do it together. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, what's happening on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is kind of going higher, right? That's kind of cool. And a quick look on gold, by the way. Totally forgot to talk. Gold actually swept the Asia high after 2 a.m. Let's switch to the 5 minute. What do we have here? Swept the Asia high. Low is 03. Okay, there's a zone here on gold. This one. I don't know if it wants to go back down. It's a lower probability zone. 49.89. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I want to go short on gold, but it does look like it wants to go. Nice little short opportunity. Anybody wants to take a short on gold? It does look like it might want to go. Thank you. No luck, pure skill. Oh my gosh. It's going to be expensive, right? All right, going lower. Okay, at this point, I think I should just move my stop, maybe. I mean, if it goes back above that level, maybe. Okay, let me just move my stop to 50 or up to the 60s. Definitely lower. Okay, I move my stop. Because if we trade back above the 60s, then more than likely it's going to trade higher than 570. And I just don't want that. Move to 560. Yeah, mine is at 565, but I see no reason keeping my stop right now up there, because if it turns around, then obviously, why would I give back all that? Cutting risk, exactly. And this is like underestimated as well, because when you're doing this, actually, I know I'm always preaching about not to mess around with your stop, but I got to admit that in this case, you're definitely cutting a lot of risk by moving your stop. So, all right, I am moving this limit order. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to move my limit order to 38 after this candle close. Okay, let's move it to... Moving it to 38. If it bounces back a little bit, I'm willing to add one more micro. Yeah, Dominic, I agree. It was a good idea. It was a good idea. Why is it not picking up my order? You know, as they say, or some traders are saying, I want to get a cheaper price. Quote unquote cheaper. I know it's higher, but you know what I mean. I want to get it cheaper. I want to get a better price. Good morning, Miss K. Hello. You're in with 7 micro. All right. Yes, yes. Mick GRH. Yes, I'm using NinjaTrader for trade execution. Yes. Good morning, Simba the Lion King. Hello. Just close your short from 577. Nice, good entry there. Good entry. 5-minute bullish where we get right now. Tom, you made me a lot of money. What? The weekend. I appreciate. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Mikhail. You are absolutely welcome. I'm happy to help you guys. All I ask is to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And of course, if you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code up there for prop firms. Unfortunately, it's not such a good news for me. Take Profit Trader disabled my coupon code because they wiped out a lot of affiliates, including myself. I don't really know why, because we were doing like good numbers for them. And anyway, a little bit disappointed, but I will trade with Take Profit Trader. I think they're awesome, but it's like, oh my God. I mean, I was a little bit disappointed. I sent them an email. Hopefully they will restore it or reinstate it. I don't know. But it is what it is. So Take Profit Trader cut off my coupon code, unfortunately. But they're still awesome. So. Hey, look it. What's up? Trade C that Lucid got is really remind me of the Prime of Project X. Well, as long as it's reliable, you know, that's what matters, right, Ahmed? Yeah, Mikhail, I don't know why. I don't know. I was surprised. I did check on some codes overall who I know in the trading space, and some people who are having way less following or not even streaming, their coupon code is still active and mine is not. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm not gonna lie, because the affiliate commission was always helping me to keep up with the financials. I'm not making tens of thousands of dollars or anything like that. I'm actually on the lower end of the whole affiliate chain. But I was like, man, I mean, why? But anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, the order got tagged. So I'm gonna add one more buy stop here. First time I like Monday. Let's go. Let me put a buy limit down there at 501.25. Okay, now I have the two orders. What happened to Lucid? It's not Lucid. Lucid is okay. Lucid is fine. Take Profit Trader. I was talking about Take Profit Trader. I'm also trading Lucid as well. Hey, thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Dennis. I appreciate that. I mean, guys, I'm going to give you guys a rough estimate. This year, I'm doing not too good on payouts. I mean, I've spent basically almost the same amount of money on evals that I had in payouts. So I had almost $4,000 in payouts, and I've spent $3,600 on evals and resets this year. So it's a rough start. I mean, this was last year as well. January, February was a pretty rough. And without the affiliate money, it would be definitely more difficult. So I never made a secret about it. Look at that. Let's go lower. Let's go. Please tag the 501. Doing great, by the way, Liquid. Thank you. We got orange market. Close it. Mikhail saying close it. I can't. All right, maybe what I can do is I can close one micro. How about that? I can sell one micro. All right, sold one micro. I sold one. And I'm putting this to break even, all right? All right. So one micro sold just in case it wants to bounce back. And one micro is still there. Actually didn't sweep the 504 yet, so but there's a look at that. There's a gap here, liquidity void, so it could be bouncing back easily on the 1 minute. Will it give us our TP? I sure hope so. 501.25 is my final TP. If it goes, actually, how much? Okay, if it goes below 504, it could be bouncing up. Actually, it's okay that it's going up there. It's repricing this liquidity void, but I don't want it to go way higher. So in this scenario, I just wanted to tag the 500. One trades got out. Well, I closed one. Kind of hoping that we can hit the next one. Let's go. Just drop it. Just drop it super easy. Why is it not dropping? I don't like this. I don't like this. Point of control and VWAP magnet. Could be. Could be. Oh, come on. What is this? Ugh. Come on. Just go lower, please. Drop it down to 500. I have a strange feeling that it's going to take me out up there. And, you know, we'll see. NQ is really trolling, right? How do we, what kind of news we have today? We have Canadian news, Empire State Manufacturing, nothing in the Europe session. Trump is saying NATO faces a very bad future if allies fail to help us in Iran. Well, honestly, I'm not taking sides here, but I hope that NATO is not going to go into this issue here in Iran, because that would not be good. No trade. Orange guy. I mean, I don't want NATO to I mean, I don't want it. He says he finished Iran, yet he asked for help. No comments. No comments. I don't want to take sides. I do realize that politics are actually, you know, politics doing such a bad hit on relations, friends, families, everybody, communities getting angry at each other because of different political opinions. Here in my country right now, there's less than 4 weeks until the elections, and everybody is super frustrated and angry and anxious, and so much hatred in the media, and it's just unbearable, really. Elections are going to happen on the 12th of April here in Hungary. I just wish it would end as soon as possible because, oh my gosh. Everywhere is politics right now in Hungary. Everywhere. Everything is about politics. Everything. You go down the street, everything is about politics. I live in Hungary. I live in Hungary. Hey, Camille, hello. Germany will also talk about it. You guys also talk about it. Yeah, but right now, as we're so close to the elections here, like obviously our president is Viktor Orban and he has his opponent, Peter Magyar. And it seems like it's going to be a very tough election. And everybody is, you know, super like angry. Everybody's angry at everybody. Even there, you're scared everything sucks. Oh, you see, that's the problem. Politics can make so many bad things. Who will win? I don't know who will win. I mean, I have a prediction. I don't really want to share it. And, but who knows? Actually, I have multiple predictions of what could happen. I respect everybody's opinion, by the way. That's the thing. I mean, I'm absolutely respecting everyone's opinion, right? But so far, even that, if politics coming up in any conversation, people tend to fight with each other over some, anyway. Yeah, let's talk about the trade. Exactly. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, so far, I think, okay, what's the low here? The low is 504, and the low here was also 504. Okay, we have relative equal lows here, which I don't really like. We could see a possible bounce. So if there's perfectly relative equal lows here, it could be happening. It could be happening. And the 1 minute created a supply zone, by the way. I don't want to have it. I don't want to see it, but it's here. It's just created a supply zone. A 1 minute supply zone right up there. $525.50. But can we drop down to 500? Trader Monk saying they're gonna cheat it. No comment there. Vera, hello. Trump gonna mad. I make you to trade. Yeah, so far the March contract has more volume than the June contract, right? So right now we are having more volume on the old contract. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna have more volume on the new contract. For now, at this moment, we're having more on the old contract. So I'm always trading the one which has the more volume. So I'm guessing from tomorrow it's gonna be more on the new contract. Funded Subham, why are you confused? Why tomorrow more volume on you? Well, it's just because the old contract is going to close. I don't know which day is it going to be, but it's going to be non-tradable. So the traders are going to be using, and more traders, even the big players, are going to be more likely using the new contract, and they're just going to close down their positions and put on their new orders on the new contract. So the volume is going to dry up on the old one. So we're already seeing a shift. Yeah. Exactly. So we're already starting to see the shift. Most likely tomorrow we're going to have more orders on the new. How to check the early. I just realized this not too long ago. I mean, actually Dominic helped me out with this. But if you have TradingView, for example, there's a tab here. It says volume. Look at that. This is the new contract, MNQM. This is the new one. MNQM 2026. And it says volume is 131K here. And this is the old one. I know it's an exclamation mark, but this is the MNQ. This is the March contract. And it says 230K. So tomorrow, the bigger number should be on the new contract, sorry, on the MNQM. Yeah, 200 points different here. So on TradingView, it's very simple to check it like this. Is there a way to transfer all notes from an old contract to a new one? I don't know. I don't know if you're referring for your charts, maybe on TradingView or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. If there's a way to do that. Look at that. Going back up there. Back to the 1 minute supply zone here. 13 minutes until London Open. I'm sorry. Yeah, Norlac Pure Skill. I don't think it's possible. Yeah, you might have to redo everything there. By the way, guys, just letting you guys know that I'm doing the fasting to lose weight. And to be honest, I am doing amazing. Let's see, where's the log? Anyway, fasting, no. So yesterday I did a 21-hour fast, and today I'm almost at 18 hours. And I feel amazing, by the way. And I did this last week. And I'm not even hungry. I'm not hungry. I mean, I could eat, of course, but I'm like totally okay. Yes, I'm eating once a day as well. So I'm doing the 20-hour fasting thing. So maybe today I'm gonna do 24 hours, and I'm eating once a day, and that's it. And I feel more sharper, more energized. I don't know. I mean, guys, it could be just a placebo effect. I'm not sure, but I'm going to the gym. I feel okay. I feel more energized, you know. And I haven't even no coffee. This is just tea. So what the Forex? Hello from Cyprus. Welcome. Good to see you. What is it exactly the method? It's very simple. I'm using an application, by the way, that helps me to track how I'm doing. So the thing is, I'm trying to keep above 16 hours, but now I'm actually switching to 20 hours of fasting. So I eat only once a day, one time a day. But like I have like 4-hour eating window, like a 4-hour eating window. And in that eating window, I'm obviously when I break the fast, I'm not going to eat like unhealthy food. So my first thing is not to go to Burger King or McDonald's and just eat everything I can. So I try to eat quote unquote healthier food. So more vegetables, salads, no sugar, and you know, all the usual stuff. I mean, all the usual, like definitely less carbs, just a little bit of carb, and I feel amazing. And it's not even an effort now to push it above 20 hours. So 20 hours on average, eat once a day, and that's it. Get ready for the next day. That's how I'm doing it. And guys, I wouldn't say it if this would not be like, I'm feeling absolutely great. Absolutely great, like physically, mentally as well, definitely better. So, you know, 72 hours a month, I feel, there you go. 72 hours a month is good. Hey, dude, so if you can, I mean, I don't know if I can make 72 hours in one fast. My goal is maybe I'm going to extend it to 36 hours. Not like always, but for like one time. Yeah, I mean, you can still eat some sugar, by the way. As far, I checked so many videos, I'm not an expert, but they're saying you can still eat some sugar if you've done your fasting, if you're done with your current time period, like you've done 20 hours, 24 hours, you can get some sugar, no problem with that, but do not eat a lot of sugar, right? So definitely try to keep a cap on your calories, on your sugar, on the fat, on the carbohydrates. So try to keep a cap on the fat and all these things, on the sugar, and that's it. So for example, yesterday, after 21 hours of fasting, we went to the family lunch, and I just had a nice soup and some chicken for the main dish. And for dessert, I had a small piece of tiramisu, you know, nice little sweet there. And it felt really amazing. And that's it. But that's fine. You know, I kept it, everything below 2,000 calories, and it was great. Leo Grossman, hello, brother from another mother and a different father. Hello there. Can we copy trade from a MyFundedFutures account to an account with another prop firm? I think you can. Yeah, I think you can. That's what I would think. So yeah, I think you can. Error 404 profits. Hello there, welcome. How are you doing? So, I wonder, are we going to go down or not? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? 6 more minutes to go. You're coming to Budapest. Nice. You can eat soup all day. You will be full, not hungry, and good with fasting. Oh, try. Okay, thank you for the info there. Celso, hello. If you're 51 Portuguese trader, what you for a company for the past month? Not trading your strategy, but I appreciate. Hey, thank you so much for the kind words there. Thank you, Celso. Celso, I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for saying that. I do appreciate it very, very much. So I forgot what I wanted to say. I really appreciate what you said, Celso. Yeah, soup is great. I love soup as well. I definitely love the soup. Soup is good. $2.1K buffer in my Rapid account and added another 300. Let's go, Content Hunter. Congratulations. Yes, you can withdraw. Hold on, is that the Rapid? I think 500 is the minimum withdrawal, Content Hunter. But you can, you know, you just have to push it a little bit more. But I think you can withdraw 500. I think that's the minimum on the Rapid account. So what's it gonna be, NQ? Less than 4 minutes to go. My profit is now okay, so you gotta add, like, make sure to go above, so you gotta reach 2600. I think there's a, I think 50, I think you gotta leave an extra 100 there, but I'm not sure. So I think you better make sure to be above $2,600, and then you can withdraw the 500. I have become 90% vegetarian, but if I go out, I might order a chicken ragu. Oh my gosh, Italian kitchen is so good, Randall. I love Italian kitchen. I can't wait to go back to Italy and have some Italian food, like lasagna, spaghetti bolognese. Oh my gosh. Yeah, welcome, Content Hunter. Pool stream again. Oh my gosh, that would be great. We should do the pool stream. We should do the pool stream. Yeah, oh, vegetarian. I mean, yeah. I get it, Randall. Yeah, but no problem, Randall. We're gonna have a great lunch. How about that? I visit you in Italy. We're gonna have a lunch. You're gonna eat vegetarian food. I'm gonna eat everything on the plate. With some nice wine. Italian wine. What is NQ doing right now? Less than 2 minutes to go. Yeah, trading stream from a pool. That would be amazing, right? That's the new Twitch category. Yeah. Consolidation, yeah. Well, we have 1 more minute to go until the pre-market open and London open. So this could be interesting here. Oh yeah, Balkan food is definitely awesome. I love that. I love every food in the Balkan. Like on TikTok, there's this guy. He's very popular nowadays. He's doing sandwiches in the parking lot, you know. He just tears apart a baguette and puts some tomatoes and salads, and anyway. Here's the pre-market open, everybody. Let's see. All right. Bit of a push higher here. I got a question on your daily trading. are you by any chance respecting the rules of the eval account of 25? I am respecting the rules. I mean, of course, you got to respect the rules, right? That's the goal, to respect those rules. Oh, am I gonna get taken out from this, unfortunately? So let's see what else is up there. Yeah, I got taken out there. Oh, sorry. So unfortunately, we got taken out from this position. Too bad. It was looking good. It was looking good, but now, I don't know. I think it's going to break that zone. But we took partials. So we took partials, which is great. If it goes down to 500, I'm going to go absolutely crazy if it goes to 500 now. After all this. One contract hit 335 on. Let's go. All right. It seems like it wants to go higher. A lot of orders down there. I don't know if it's going to reverse. It does seem like it might want to reach for that fair value gap. I'm not sure. Was looking good. Well, on the right side is the 1 minute. This is just a 15-second chart, so don't worry about it, actually. And this is the 5 minute now. So this zone got taken on the 1 minute. That's irrelevant now. The 1 minute still has a zone up there. Bogdan Rusu, hello. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining us. All right, we swept some levels there. My original TP was 501.25. I'm gonna go absolutely crazy if it goes down there. It does seem like it might want to shoot back up, but you know. Serial, hello there. Welcome, Serial. What's up? Everybody smash the likes. Let's see how we are doing. We are at 76 likes, 24 more to go. 24 more to go to reach the 100. 23 now. Let's get it done. It hit the point of control there. Oh, man. I was really, I mean, I don't know. All right, to be fair, there is one more zone up there. One more. Which is that one. That's a supply zone. A 1 minute supply zone up there. It's actually way up there. I don't know. It's at 556. 556 up there. No. Yeah. I don't know. Seems like it might want to tag that level again, because that's a valid level. It's way up there. Maybe he's gonna go through. Huh. Didn't go through. Did it go through? Did it tag it? Yeah, it did. Wow. Okay. All right, so I was offside here, and I don't know what happened, but anyway. Just got my way to Lucid 25. Let's go. No luck, pure skill. 471. I'm kind of wondering now that we reached that 1 minute supply zone. Are we going to see a reversal here or just continuing higher? Because there's nothing on the left. Nothing here on the left side. Absolutely nothing. So, you know. Good morning, Kwong. Hello. Any idea how price moves during contract rollover? I haven't really did any research on that. I would say it's about the usual as always. The volume is still bigger on the old contract, so you know. Anyway, took partials and that is it. But I'm surprised like how it did not work out on that level lower. Should have noticed a possible scalp to go up there to that 1 minute supply zone, but I didn't. Oh yeah, we have FOMC. Yeah. Well, there are always those days, Kwong, you know, the same thing happens during Christmas holidays or whatever. Like, I didn't see anything special related to the contract switch. So my feeling says Thursday is good, but then it's like already the week gone. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. 555 bar hit. 571. 583. It does seem like it wants to move higher. So since the price had moved upward from NQ previous day lows, why would it go down in this? I'm not saying it will go down. There's actually no reason for it right now to go down. The only scenario that I would be looking at for price to go down if like this would be a 5-minute fair value gap if it would not reprice this candle. So let's assume that this would be a fair value gap here on the 5-minute. Oops, sorry. On the 5-minute, right, this one. If price would shift like lower and shifting that fair value gap, then maybe I would be looking for a short. But at this point, like, there's no reason to look for shorts. One-minute ADX 26.1. That's bullish, right? Yeah. Yeah, so the New York midnight level is still here around 530. And let me get this off. Okay, the zone is gone. No more 1-minute supply zone. It's gone. Okay, there's a 3-minute fair value gap here. Let's keep an eye on that. Yeah, I think so too, Randall. So London plus Asia retrace from Friday and then US reversal. That's also a strategy. Like, I know that ICT has these intraday price concepts, which is like, okay, I get it, but we are at 88 likes, everybody. 88, 12 more likes to go. 12 more likes. Super easy to do. Let's all do it. Easy peasy, lemon cheesy. Let's all make it work. $97, 3 more. 3 more to go. Harshit is short on gold. 99. Let's smash it. We're almost above 100, everybody. Check Friday for him. You can order 3 big short candles. 104. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for supporting the channel. 3 big short candles there are stops. 45. 45. This is a 45-minute time frame. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 short candles. There are stops. Could be. I'm not saying there are no stops there, but look at this drop. Dan Morgan, hello. Thank you for joining. Welcome, Dan. I'm gonna go absolutely crazy if this one goes lower now. I actually took a short on an account here. Just to chase it with one micro. What did I do? Trying to scalp it. Terrible. Terrible what I just did there. Of course, I knew it. Ah, damn it. They should have just dropped through this level. Such a terrible mistake. Such a terrible mistake, man. Okay. All right. It should have just dropped down like a rock at this point. Terrible. Terrible mistake on my end. Yeah, it might grind lower, but this should have just dropped through these lows, at least at 506. Worst case scenario. It didn't. Oh my gosh. Terrible. Such a rookie mistake on my end. Whoa, thank you for subscribing. Wade, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Hello there, Wade. Damn it. I stepped into this one real good. Oh my god. So bad. Why does it always has to be complicated? Six 24,000 6 4, that's higher. Or maybe you're saying to 4. They actually touched it. Let's go. Hold the line, people. Oh my gosh. All right. This was a little bit, this was a stupid trade, guys. This is something I'm definitely not going to be proud of. This was a stupid trade and stupid risk management. Anyway. 464, yeah. This was a very not good trade. So overall, by the way, which you guys, I actually wanted to do a video, but I wanted to do a separate video about this, and I'm just wondering if I should just, you know, I was wondering how to say this. Like, if I should do, I know I asked this a few times last year, if I should do like regular recap videos or posts about how I'm doing with my funded accounts and evaluation accounts, right? And I think one better thing for the channel as well, and for the stream and for you guys, is to have more transparency. And with that being said, I think it would be much better if I just talk more about how I'm doing with my funded accounts, if I lost a funded account, if I, obviously not just the payouts, but if I lost a funded account, if I have a new evaluation account, you know, I think that would be really good for the engagement and for the community, just to see, just for you guys to see how things are going. And, you know, it would be good. A good series would be why you enter trades in a week and break down the signs that pointed you. That's also good. Yeah, I like that turtle. I like that turtle monking. That would be a good idea. Genuine will always win, says Daryl. Thank you. Anufi, yeah, now that would be much appreciated. Okay, so that being said, I think I was wondering about this over the weekend. You know, during my sharp fasting hours, like, I think this would be really good engagement for the community, and you know, back and forth, because you know, nowadays there's just so many drama happening in the trading space, and it would be just better to be more realistic and more real of how things are going, right? And I always told you guys last year as well, I kept blowing funded accounts. I missed payouts. I blown up evaluation accounts left and right. So let's just do amends and start from somewhere. But since we're having quite a few viewers, I think it would be a great start to see how things are going on right now. Okay, so obviously one thing, I don't really want to show my exact account numbers, all right, but I can show you which account is funded and which account is evaluation, right? But the exact account number, I'm not really sure I want to show, but I can tell you how many funded accounts that I've lost at Apex already, or Bulenox, whatever, you know. Yeah, so the thing is, see, I'm gonna pull up a screen here. It's not all my accounts, by the way, because I do have Bulenox accounts, but NinjaTrader can only have a rhythmic connection. But here are some accounts. Let me get this away from here. So here are some accounts that I have. All right. So it says PA account here and here and here and here. Now, one of my Apex funded accounts are down, as you can see it, below $49,000. These accounts here at Funded Futures Network, these just passed. These were funded accounts, but these are static accounts now. So these are still legacy accounts from Funded Futures Network, which are funded accounts. But now I just passed today the exhibition phase. So I'm going to receive the third account, which is the actual funded account. This is funded too, but like anyway, you know. And I just passed this today. Now, this is Lucid Trading accounts, brand new ones, because last week I blew up 2 of my Lucid Trading accounts. MyFundedFutures Rapid accounts, these are the 2 I currently have. Last week I blown up another Rapid account, which was very close to, these are evaluation. Okay, so the funded accounts here are this one, the Funded Futures Network accounts. So 1, 2, and the Apex accounts, 3, 4, 5, 6 funded accounts here. And I had the Take Profit Trader funded account, which I blown up last week as well. Anyway, these are Take Profit Trader. All the other accounts that you see here, TRADEDAY, Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Lucid, these are all evaluation accounts, all, unfortunately, not just fundeds. So the Take Profit Trader account is at 51,477. This one is at 51,392. This is a brand new TRADEDAY account, both of them here for the daily payouts as well. And I have 5, I'm not going to re-log in, but take it or leave it. I have 5 Bulenox evaluation accounts on the other Rhythmic connection. So these are all the accounts currently that I have. Yeah, just for transparency. And this Apex account is getting ready to pass, hopefully soon. But today, these were the good ones. And that is it. So I think it would be just great to have a recap of how I'm doing with these accounts. TPT, I had 3, Michael. I had 3. I had a funded account at Take Profit Trader. I blew it up last week. I was getting ready for another payout this month, but I'm going to talk about that too. So I have to restart building the Take Profit Trader accounts. So this year, I got only $4,000 in payouts, 2 from Bulenox and 1 from the Take Profit Trader. And I spent almost $4,000, $3,600 on evaluation accounts and resets. So you can say like I'm a net profit of $600 in more than 2 months. Actually, almost 2.5 months passed from the year, and I made a staggering $600. And last year, I ended up the year $69,000. But last year, it started the same. First year, last year, in 25, first month last year, I made $2,000 only in January, and I think another $2,000 in February. So I don't know. It seems like the start of the year for me is a little bit like, it's a bit of a struggle, it seems like. So trading is a bit of an upside down thing. And I think my biggest error, my biggest issue is I cannot handle the emotions. So I can't do it. Emotions are just too, I do see the levels, but No, I have, Marco, I have Bulenox. I have the Bulenox here. I cannot connect to the Bulenox account because I have to disconnect from Funded Futures. Actually, you know what? I'm going to disconnect from Funded Futures Network, and I'm going to connect to Bulenox. All right, so you guys can see it. I have 4 evals, maybe 5. I don't know, 4 or 5. So here are the Bulenox accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think this one is blown. So I still have Bulenox accounts, okay? Evals 1, 2, 3, 4 Bulenox, and this one is blown up. But I kept the subscription because it only cost me $16 to keep this Bulenox account. But you can only connect to one Rhythmic connection at a time. So Bulenox is Rhythmic, and Funded Futures network is also Rhythmic. So if I disconnect Bulenox and I connect Funded Futures network, I can reconnect. First couple of months of New Year is usually nothing amazing, yeah. Bad market conditions, don't sweat it, yeah. Yeah, so let me just reconnect. Okay, so as you can see today, I'm very happy about the Funded Futures network accounts. Are you saying the monthly subscription on all those? Yes, except for Lucid Trading. So Lucid Trading does not have a monthly subscription. So all these prop firms, except Lucid Trading and DayTraders, by the way, they don't have a monthly. I mean, these are having monthly subscriptions, except Lucid. Lucid has only a one-time payment, but these are monthly subscriptions. Yes, sometimes I copy trade. Yeah, like usually 2 accounts, maybe two accounts. On Apex, I have, this is my 110th. So I spent, I think 110 funded accounts. This is my 110th PA account, okay? Believe it or not, 110th PA account. So actually the numbers are, anyway, you guys can see, it doesn't care. 108 until 112, sorry. 108 until 112 are my PA accounts. Volatility move up and down 100%, yeah. To get has different tolerance. Trading with all money, yeah, helps to find tolerance. That's true. Activating my TPT tonight. Credit came in early. Let's go, Smokey. Congratulations. Unfortunately, guys, I have to say this again. Take Profit Trader cut me off as an affiliate. I don't know why. I'm a little bit disappointed because I think Take Profit Trader is awesome. But they cut me off as an affiliate on Friday. I wrote them an email. I don't know if they're going to reinstate my coupon code. I don't know, but we'll see. What prop firm account would you suggest I'm trading my private? I don't know. There are, like, as you can see, there are quite a few good ones. Lucid Trading is amazing, by the way. I love them. They're really coming up super strong with no monthly rebill. So if you guys don't like the monthly rebills, Lucid Trading is definitely, the rules are absolutely very simple. Very, very simple. Really simple. Lucid is very good. Funded Futures network, although, as you see it in the pinned message up there, and the link is there, which says free account right there. If you guys want to get a buy one, get one free promo, I think you can get it for, I think, $40-something, $45 or something, $44. You can get a 50K account with no activation fee. That's the cheapest right now with the buy one, get one free promo. You can check it on my community post page and the link as well. So, but like, Randall, I don't know. I would go with Lucid. Maybe Take Profit Trader though. I don't have a code for that, unfortunately, but Lucid is really good. I would go with Lucid. End of day trailing, by the way. Mathematically, it's really good. Yeah, price action is, we're just sideways here. Oh, I cut off, sorry. Randall, go with Lucid right now. That's what I would say. End of day trailing. End of day trailing and no monthly rebill. No monthly rebill, which makes it least stressful. No daily loss limit. Go with the flex account there at Lucid. No monthly rebill. end of day trailing. That's it, you know. I got one payout with Lucid so far last year. But yeah. All right. So these are my accounts. I will keep you guys updated. I think it would you guys like to see like a more like, so what I'm trying to get is, would you guys like to see me doing a recap videos how I'm doing with these accounts, or that would be boring? I don't know. If you guys want me to do recap videos of how I'm doing with these accounts, I can't promise I can do it every day, but like once or twice every week for a few minutes, just a few minute video, just to recap what happened, I can do that, you know? So, it's up to you. If you guys think that would be a good idea, I'm happy to do that for you. Absolutely no problem. Recap's great. Thank you. All right. Thank you. That would be cool. All right. Lucid Flex, Randall. I think Lucid Flex would be good. That's a really solid choice, I think. Hey, Giovanni. Oh my gosh. Thank you for your subscription to the Winners Club. Thank you for supporting the stream and the channel. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Recap. All right. That's good to know. That is good to know. All right. I will do some recaps. All right, guys. I will do some more recaps about that. Thank you, by the way. It means a lot to me, by the way, everybody. Giovanni. Hey, thank you for joining the club. Welcome, and thank you for supporting the channel. Yes, the code for Lucid is the same for everything. It's TOMSABO. That's the code. I don't know if it's capital or not there, but you can try it. If you guys would like to support the channel, the code is up there in the banner. For all those platforms that are stated up there or in the description. The only example right now is Take Profit Trader. Very disappointed. I really hope that they will reinstate my code, but it's being cut off, unfortunately. But for all these other platforms, Lucid Trading, MyFundedFutures, Funded Futures Network, and, you know, I don't know, Bulenox, Apex, and the others, the code is the same everywhere. Thank you. New offer. Yeah. Funded. Oh, Funded next as well. Does it now? Funded Futures Network has a buy one, get one free as well. They didn't give me a reason. They just sent an email that thank you for being a partner with us. We are moving towards without you. Goodbye. That's it. No reason. Just a very simple email. And I'm like, come on, man. I mean, not to brag about it, and because I'm still just a small streamer, but I was really giving because I saw the click-through rate, I saw the numbers, and I think I was a fairly good partner with them. And I do see smaller streamers out there, good for them, but I see smaller streamers, smaller affiliates whose code is still active. And I know I did a better job, not to brag about it, really. I know I did, and it still cut off my code. So I don't know why. I don't know. I'm a little bit disappointed, to be honest, but I still like Take Profit Twitter. They are awesome. I should have told them, yeah. Yeah, they sent an email to a lot of influencers out there, but I thought, like, you know, we are actively here. The community is great. We always were having solid numbers, and I was like, I don't know. They are cutting costs. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I don't know if they saw me on MyFunded TV, because I checked, for example, Methodical Man's code. I checked, who else has a code? Somebody else has a code on MyFunded TV. Obviously, Matt Cowart has a code. He's a big influencer, of course, but Others have a code as well, and their code is working, and my code is not. But anyway. The Take Profit Trader, nevertheless, they're absolutely a great prop firm. It was just a bit of a disappointment, to be honest. Also because of the money too, because as I said many times, the affiliate commission does help out the channel. So in this case, it is what it is. We're moving on. But I did send them an email, so I hope that they will reconsider it. They have a revised website. Yeah, so what Apex did in a nutshell, I think, TPT says that no. Oh, wow, that's not good. Let's see. Sorry to hear that. So it seems like Take Profit Trader is cutting off a lot of affiliates. So the thing is, Apex, I think it's a really great thing that they just did with their accounts. Everything got much more simpler. They got rid of some stupid rules that they have. So the rules are like simplified. They took away that 30% garbage rule, which they have or had. They now have the daily loss limit, which is, I think, absolutely okay. So they are saying, and they were stating with the new rules, that there's no more reviews or approval, whatever. Once you hit the payout level, it's going to be automatically paid out. That's it. So I think they should have done this way long before. I don't think Smokey, because, you know, Methodical Man and Matt is also, and some others are having codes with Take Profit Trader, so they didn't cut them off. So I have a Discord. Giovanni, give me a few days, because guys, I think it's a good time to say it now. I'm gonna be streaming on my Discord for sure. I decided that I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be streaming for Discord members as well, and I think that's gonna be super fun. I'm ready with everything to get started to build the Discord community. So I really hope that we can get some, you know, content there, because I owe you guys that one. A few weeks ago it worked, Gabor. They cut me off on Friday, Gabor. They cut me off on Friday. Now it's not working. Maybe they are having funding problems and they need to limit their discounts. I don't know. What I do know is that they're still absolutely good. Honestly, there is like 5-cent preference that are okay. I've stopped working with many, and like now waiting happens with Apex. Yeah. One thing's for sure, the preference space is changing, and the affiliate business is also changing, by the way. This year, there's going to be lots of changes, I think, in the affiliate market as well. That's what I think. Gabor, no, don't worry. I mean, I sent them an email. Hopefully they will reinstate it. That's what I'm hoping for. If I get back my coupon code, I will definitely let you guys know, and we'll see. TPT is solid, absolutely solid. Yeah. Good morning, Dr. Dolly. Hello. Nola Pure Skill. See you later. All right. Have a good one, guys. To be honest, I'm not interested to take a trade here. So I think I did a good result today. Made a couple of $100 in profit. Actually 6, 7, 8, almost $800. Of course, some of that on Eval, but some of them are funded. So it is what it is. It was good, but I think this is it. John, hello. Way too much work. Hats off. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go, Kenshin. All right. Flush if planning to launch. Yeah, I think it should be tagging that 1 minute demand zone. So the zone is at 495. It should be tagging it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching the stream. Thank you for being here, supporting as well. I'll be back for My Funded TV today. The problem is that I have very little time in between the streams that I have to go to the gym and do some stuff. So I don't know if I can do the early New York stream. I really want to. So we'll see what happens. But I'll be back later on My Funded TV and we'll see if we can do a stream after My Funded TV. I don't know, but I'll be back. Thank you. And if you like to support the channel, you can still use my code for all these other prop firms: Apex, Bulenox, Lucid Trading, MyFundedFutures, the best deals. And, Funded Futures Network, the buy one, get one for free promo is really amazing. And some others too. So thank you. Oh yeah, TRADEIFY. I almost forgot about TRADEIFY. Thank you, everybody. Have a good rest of the day. God bless you all. And see you guys soon. All right. God bless. Cheers, everyone.